Money can buy happiness if you spend it right. Number 1. Financial freedom. Kapag marami kang pera, you can buy your way out from financial problems na numero unong hadlang sa buhay na masaya. Number 2. Loved ones. Sa tuwing ginagastos mo ang iyong kayamanan sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, in your own terms, it will give you genuine happiness. Number 3. Life experiences. When you have money, you can afford beautiful experiences where you can feel long-term happiness, kagaya na lang ng pag-travel sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo. Number 4. Material things. Kaya mong bilhin yung mga bagay na magbibigay sa'yo ng maginhawang buhay, gaya na lang ng mamahaling sasakyan at malaking bahay. A more comfortable life will lead to a happier life. Number 5. Time freedom.